Hey YouTube, how are you doing? Welcome to my first video from my allotment in 2024. So today we're going to get some free compost. I'll show you how we get free soil that we use at the allotment, and I'll show you what the allotment is looking like this time of the year. Okay, this is our compost bay. That is the compost bay. Horse manure, we normally get it delivered for free. As you can see, it's nearly empty, and we have wood chips here. Now I'm going to show you how we're harvesting it. So periodically we take our horse manure and we put it in that bay round the corner there, and I'll show you what it's looking like. This is where the magic happens, or has happened already. So we've got a beautiful bay of nearly well rotted horse manure. So this is what it's looking like. Is there nothing more rotted than this? Because this is not looking, it's not more rotted. We finished today. So I'm going to take you guys home to show you how we're going to use our free compost to make our beautiful soil for our plants.